Good morning, friends. I am Santosh Kumar, and today we will start a new subject. The name of that subject is electronic devices and circuits. Okay, most of the student call like this, or some of the student or from different college called the semiconductor material. Okay, semiconductor material. So actually we will call subject name this, short form of this, EDC. This part will be covered in the first unit of EDC. Okay, so unit first we will discuss this semiconductor material. Second unit will be PN junction diode. Third unit we will discuss transistors, all these things. Okay, so first unit, that will be the semiconductor material. Second unit will be the PN junction diode. Okay, that is very easy subject. So we will start from the basics. So when you will build our basics, that means after that advanced topic will be very easy to understand. Okay, so first we will start some basic definitions. What is the temperature, what is the current, and what is the mobility, all these things we will discuss. And then the typical part like Fermi energy we will discuss later. Okay, so you will have better understanding about the subject after the knowing basic definitions, basic concept of that subject. Okay, so let's start. First definition is for this subject, temperature. So temperature have a good role in this subject. Okay, actually temperature in this subject we will deal with three type of temperature. First is the absolute temperature. Absolute temperature, that is nothing but it is 0 Kelvin. We will equivalent like 273 degrees Celsius. Okay, it is 0 Kelvin, that means minus 273 degree Celsius. Second one, B is the room temperature. Room temperature will be how much? 27 degrees Celsius, that means 300 Kelvin. We can call 300 Kelvin or we can call 270 degrees Celsius. Actually, unit of temperature in electron devices and circuits we will take Kelvin, not degree Celsius. Okay, if degree Celsius is given, that means convert in Kelvin. After that you have to solve your questions. Okay, C is the room temperature. This is the, now third one is ambient temperature. Ambient temperature, it is 70 degrees Celsius, that means 290 Kelvin. Okay, these three type of temperature we will use, but I say that ambient temperature mostly used in communication systems. Okay, so this temperature we will not use in electron devices and circuits. Absolute temperature is very low. Semiconductor device will not work properly at this temperature. Okay, so we will use mostly room temperature, that means 27 degrees Celsius or 300 Kelvin. Okay, this is used in communication system. And one we will talk here, all of the semiconductor devices will work properly at room temperature not at absolute temperature, because this temperature is very low. So semiconductor device has not good function at this temperature. Okay, so at room temperature the semiconductor device will work properly. Okay, so note this type of temperature. And first I have to tell you that you have to make notes by yourself, because we will discuss here only about the concept. Okay, we will not provide any notes here, so you have to prepare your notes by yourself. Okay, note down करो इसको. Now the conversion unit of degree Celsius into Kelvin. So if you want to calculate temperature in Kelvin, that means you have to temperature in degree Celsius plus 273. Okay, that will equivalent to temperature in degree Kelvin. Actually this Kelvin we will use like that, degree Kelvin. Okay, so first we will talk about the 27 degrees Celsius. That means temperature 27 degrees Celsius plus 273, that means equivalent to 300 in Kelvin. That means we can write like this: 27 degrees Celsius equal to 300 Kelvin. If you want to calculate ambient temperature, that means ambient temperature how much? 17 degrees Celsius plus 273, that means equivalent to 290 Kelvin. Okay, so this formula will be used when degree Celsius temperature is given. We can change temperature in Kelvin. Okay, write down. Now first definition, basic definition of temperature has been discussed. Second definition is voltage equivalent of temperature. Okay, this is, what is this? VT, that means thermal voltage, or we can say here thermal voltage. VT equal to K bar T upon Q. This is the formula. So actually K bar is nothing but, K bar is Boltzmann constant. Okay, actually some of the book write like this, K, not K bar, like K T by Q. Okay, but we will write K bar. Why? I will tell you later. Okay, so the value of K equal to 1.381 into 10 to the power minus 23 joule per degree Kelvin. Okay, the value of this one. Now Q, what is the Q? Q equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power 19 Coulomb. And temperature, if temperature equal to 300 Kelvin, that is the room temperature, then VT will be when you put the value K bar, Q and T, that is the 300 Kelvin, that means at room temperature. So VT will be 0.02586 volt. Okay, if you will convert in millivolt, that means 25.86 millivolt, or VT approximately equal to 26 millivolt. Okay, this value you have to learn. So we will not calculate later. Okay, if temperature is 300 Kelvin given, that means by default VT will be 26 millivolt. You have to by heart this value. Okay, we will use in the questions. Okay, so some of the value of parameters you have to learn, you have to by heart, and that will save your time of in solving the problems. Okay, so this is the BT value. Now this is if temperature equal to 300 Kelvin. Now ये तो हो गया तुम्हारा फर्स्ट केस. Second case is if temperature equal to 0 Kelvin. That what is the here T you have to put in Kelvin. Okay. If T equal to 0 Kelvin, that means K bar T multiplied with 0. BT will be 0. Okay. 0 volt. That means if temperature is 0 Kelvin given, that means thermal voltage will be 0 volt. Okay. If temperature is 300 Kelvin given, that means voltage equivalent at that temperature will be 26 millivolt. That's why called voltage equivalent of temperature. Okay. Write down. One statement from here we can say, see here temperature is 0 Kelvin. That means that is the minus 273 degree Celsius. It is like that. In degree Celsius that is minus 273. In Kelvin 0 Kelvin. Here temperature 300 Kelvin, that means 27 degrees Celsius. We can say here minus 273 degrees Celsius, here 27 degrees Celsius. That means large difference between them. But voltage here 0 volt, here 26 millivolt. So we can say that large change in temperature, if you will change very large if you will change temperature by large value, that means in voltage, or we can say voltage variation will be very very less. That means temperature will be changed by large value, that means voltage variation will be very very less. Okay, so ये आप नोट करो. सी फर्स्ट टॉपिक तुम्हारा डिस्कस हो चुका है, टेम्परेचर. सेकेंड वन इज द हैज बीन डिस्कस्ड. थर्ड इज द बोल्ट्जमैन कांस्टेंट. सो वी सेड बिफोर 2 or 3 minutes K bar is the Boltzmann constant. That means value 1.381 into 10 to the power minus 23 joule per degree Kelvin. Joule, not electron volt. Okay. Regarding joule, we will call K bar. Okay. Now, if we calculate K, okay, listen, what is the K? I will tell you. K, that means this value is 8.62 into 10 to the power minus 5 electron volt per degree Kelvin. That means joule and electron volt both are the unit of energy. In a semiconductor material or in EDC, we will not deal with joule, we will deal with electron volt per degree Kelvin. So we will put K value like this and K bar like this. Okay. Now what is the formula of BT? BT equal to K bar TQ. Okay. When you put K bar, all these things value in degree Kelvin, that means you find 1 minute. And if you write like that, BT equal to put K bar. हाँ, मैं एक बात बताना चाह रहा था कि K bar ये है और K ये है, इनमें डिफरेंस क्या है? If you will divide K, if you will find K bar by K, that means this will be E. What is the E? E equal to 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 90. Okay. So if you multiply K with E value, that means you will find this one. Okay. So BT equal to this is, what is the Q? Q is nothing but it is E. Okay. It is E value Q. So K bar by Q, if you will find, that means you will find K. So K bar by Q replace with, इसको Q लिख लो यहाँ पे Q. ओके, इसको मिटाओ थोड़ी देर. Q की वैल्यू क्या है हमारी? 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. इसको इधर लेके आओ, K bar by Q equal to K लिख सकते हैं हम. इस फॉर्मूले में अगर मैं K bar by Q equal to K लिखूं, कोई प्रॉब्लम है? लिख सकता हूं ना? अब यहां से तुम फाइंड कर रहे थे वैल्यू पुट करके, तो वो कितना आ रहा था 26 मिली वोल्ट। ओके, अब यहां पे तुम के की वैल्यू पुट करोगे ये और टी टेम्परेचर में कैलकुलेट करोगे तो क्या आएगा, ये सेम आएगा 26 मिली, बट यहां पे यूनिट क्या होगी, क्योंकि के की यूनिट क्या है इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट, और पर डिग्री केल्विन टेम्परेचर ऑल्सो डिग्री केल्विन, तो डिग्री केल्विन से डिग्री केल्विन कैंसिल हो जाएगा, तो क्या यूनिट हो जाएगी इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट, दैट मींस इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट, यहां पे वोल्ट, क्योंकि तुम के की वैल्यू क्या रख रहे थे जूल पर डिग्री केल्विन। ओके, मेरा कहने का मतलब ये था यहां पे कि तुम्हारा के बार टी बाई क्यू इक्वल टू के टी, ये दो चीजें, ये के इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट पर डिग्री केल्विन, दिस के जूल पर डिग्री केल्विन। ओके, both will be equal in magnitude but not in unit, because ये तुम्हारा होगा 26 मिली वोल्ट, ये होगा तुम्हारा 26 मिली इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट। एक्चुअली दिस इज द पोटेंशियल एंड दिस इज यूनिट ऑफ एनर्जी, मेरा कहने का मतलब ये था। ओके, क्या यूज है इसका हम बात करेंगे, आप पहले इतना नोट करो। तो के की वैल्यू हमें क्या याद रखनी है, के बार हमें रखना है 1.381 into 10⁻⁻23 जूल बाई डिग्री केल्विन, एंड के बार 8.62 into 10⁻⁻5 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट पर डिग्री केल्विन। राइट डाउन। So what is fourth topic is electron volt. Actually, what is this electron volt? That's been denoted with EV. Actually, in physics we used generally joule. So in electronics we will use unit of energy electron volt. Okay, what is that? What is the meaning of that electron volt? Actually, it is the practical unit of energy in electronics. Okay, so let's suppose here we have capacitor, and here we will apply 1 volt. This is A plate and this is B plate. That means negative will be here and plus will be. What is the meaning of that? Meaning of that 1 electron volt is nothing but, here let's suppose electron, that will when we apply battery, that means it will move. Okay, so what is the meaning of that 1 electron volt? What is 1 electron volt? It is nothing but, it is defined as energy given by the electron at to cross 1 volt barrier. मतलब 1 वोल्ट की हमने बैटरी अप्लाई करी है, तो इलेक्ट्रॉन कितनी एनर्जी इसको कितनी, जब ये मूव करेगा तो कितनी एनर्जी देगा ये, और कितनी एनर्जी कंज्यूम करेगा ये मूव करने के लिए, क्यों कुछ लगाना है, दैट मींस 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट। क्या मतलब है इसका, जब हमारा पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस दोनों प्लेटों के बीच में 1 वोल्ट है, तो वो इलेक्ट्रॉन उस पोटेंशियल बैरियर को क्रॉस करने के लिए उसे कितनी एनर्जी रिक्वायर्ड होगी, 1 वोल्ट, ओनली 1 वोल्ट, दैट मींस 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट। ओके, 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट एनर्जी रिक्वायर्ड होगी। इट मींस अगर मैं इसको रिप्लेस करूं तो ऐसे लिख सकता हूं, इलेक्ट्रॉन दैट मींस 1 into 10⁻⁻19। ओके, चार्ज इसका मतलब कूलाम, और ये तो तुम्हारा वोल्ट है ही, चार्ज का यूनिट कूलाम होता है, कूलाम वोल्ट। 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट इक्वल टू 1.6 into 10⁻⁻19 कूलाम वोल्ट। कूलाम वोल्ट को, ये भी एक यूनिट है एनर्जी की, लेकिन इसको हम दूसरे वर्ड्स में ऐसे डिफाइन कर देते हैं, इसको हम जूल बोल देते हैं। क्या बोलते हैं, जूल, कूलाम वोल्ट और जूल। दैट मींस 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट इक्वल टू 1.6 into 10⁻⁻19 जूल, ये लिखते हैं। 1 वोल्ट का जो पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस है उसको क्रॉस करने के लिए 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन को कितनी एनर्जी की नीड होगी, वो तुम्हारा होता है 1 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट। ओके, अगर हम यहां बोल देते कि 1 वोल्ट ही है 5 इलेक्ट्रॉन को, तो कितनी हो जाती, 5 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट। समझ गए ना, नोट डाउन करो इसको। सो पोटेंशियल एनर्जी हम डिफाइन कर सकते हैं यहां से कैसे। फोर्थ टॉपिक हमारा यूनिट हमने डिस्कस कर ली उसकी। फिफ्थ टॉपिक में क्या होगा तुम्हारा, पोटेंशियल एनर्जी। व्हाट इज द पोटेंशियल एनर्जी? पोटेंशियल एनर्जी नथिंग बट एक्चुअली दिस इज क्यू एंड मल्टीप्लाई दिस इज क्यू मल्टीप्लाइड विद वोल्ट। दैट मीन्स क्यू क्या हो जाएगा, क्यू फुट एंड वोल्ट दैट मीन्स वी। पोटेंशियल एनर्जी वी कैन डिफाइन लाइक दिस, क्यू वी। ओके, नाउ सिक्स्थ टॉपिक विल बी काइनेटिक एनर्जी। वी कैन अरेंज, पास करके इसको राइट डाउन कर लेना। ओके, सिक्स्थ टॉपिक इज काइनेटिक एनर्जी। व्हाट इज द काइनेटिक एनर्जी? काइनेटिक एनर्जी इज नथिंग बट हाफ mv square. This is velocity. Okay, so when electron will accept energy from potential energy, that means energy cannot lost. Okay, it can be converted in either two forms. So kinetic energy will be potential energy. Okay, if it will be gain, that means it will be loss. Okay, so half mv square equal to qv. When you will find velocity, that means velocity will be 2qv upon m. किसमें होगी वेलोसिटी? व्हाट इज द यूनिट ऑफ वेलोसिटी? मीटर पर सेकेंड। ओके, राइट डाउन। Now energy gap will be discussed in next video. Actually there is a party, so sound system is very have very high sound, so I cannot record video at that time. So next topic is energy gap, and then electric field intensity, current, all these things will be discussed in next video. Okay, so अगर आपने अब तक हमारा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो इसको सब्सक्राइब करिए, लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, ताकि जिनको इसकी रियलिटी में नीड है उनके पास ये वीडियो पहुंचे। और ये फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है, इसका कोई मनी आपके पास आपसे पैसा नहीं लगेगा। बस अगर हम आपके लिए इतनी मेहनत कर रहे हैं तो थोड़ा सा आपका भी फर्ज बनता है इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें, सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू।